How to delete all viruses on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete all viruses on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, through all of the online activities that you might be doing and surfing through the internet, you might also have attracted some viruses into your smartphone. If you want to get rid of those viruses, now keep in mind that it is not easy to get in virus onto iOS, since iOS is pretty much very secure. But if you just happen to do so, there are a couple of steps that you can take. First thing you can do is just try to delete those applications that are not on your home screen and that you don't recognize. If there is any sort of third-party applications that you don't recognize, long press on it, tap the remove app option and make sure to remove the app. Sometimes if you don't see her, you can go to settings and go to general and go to the option called iPhone storage, and you should be able to see a list of all the apps. Just select the application that you don't recognize and delete them. After you've done that, the other thing I would recommend you do is the very first thing, just sign out of your Apple ID so that they cannot get your Apple ID data. So just try to sign out by tapping the profile icon, tapping the sign out option from the bottom of the screen to sign out of your Apple ID. Now, the easiest way to delete all of your viruses is to simply factory erase your phone. So factory erasing simply means resetting your phone to the time when you first installed it. Now for this, you have to make sure that you have backed up all of your data manually, and after that only go to the option called transfer or reset iPhone, erase all content and settings, and make sure to basically erase all of your iPhone once. After you've done that, also make sure that you're up to date with the software update. Go to the software update tab, check if there is any sort of updates available, and then you should be able to find them. This way you can delete all viruses on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.